It all began when four young engineers from humble Indian backgrounds and working at respectable positions in Silicon Valley, US, decided to come back to India with a mission. A mission that was to come back to their own motherland, India, and help her transform from a country known for just doing IT outsourcing to a country where innovation actually happens. Less did they know that this mission was to transform the lives of many in the coming times. With them, 20 other colleagues embarked on the journey during the initial years. The idea was to create a product development mindset in India by doing not just software development, but doing complete end-to-end engineering and manufacturing, including hardware, mechanical, embedded software, cloud and app, and manufacturing. The task was big, but the team was all ready. The foundation of VVDN was laid. The company started its initial projects working in the space of networking with BSNL India and camera projects for OEMs in the US. From there, things went quickly to other industries. What started as a small embedded design service provider company in Gurgaon spread like a wildfire to other parts of the country, like Chennai, Kochi, Bangalore, Noida, Ahmedabad, Pollachi, Bhubaneswar, and went global with presence in US, Canada, Europe, Japan, South Korea, and Vietnam. With strong determination and a never-say-die attitude, the company kept on moving ahead with the technology, and by 2015, it was ready both in terms of skill set and potential to finally kick off the second leg of its journey, which was to start doing manufacturing in India. Like the design centers, the company increased its manufacturing potential by setting up 4 manufacturing facilities in Manesar, Gurgaon. Today, VVDN is the only company which is growing at such a fast-paced rate. Amidst the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, VVDN opened its 10-acre Global Innovation Park, best-in-class Mechanical Tooling Park 2, gave employment to 1,500 individuals, and the hiring continues. VVDN is on a mission to hire 1 lakh employees in the next 3 years, focusing on women empowerment. VVDN today is engineering and manufacturing next-gen products in the domains of 5G, networking and Wi-Fi, vision, and IoT. We are a team of 5,000 forward-looking employees working like a family together under one brand name, VVDN. Ours has always been an organization that respects the talents of an individual. There is no limit for those willing to work, to innovate, and to push boundaries. Every individual who is a part of the organization is not the employee, but the owner of the company. We are the New Age India and are driven by our core values: passion, ownership, collaboration, customer-first focus, and integrity. We continue to be known for our ability to create, to innovate, to produce. We make it happen. We are VVDN.